Have you ever wished for a smart assistant that could help you tackle those tricky coding challenges? That's where Cody steps in. Cody is the brainchild of Sourcegraph, a free and open-source tool that's redefining the way we approach coding. As an AI coding assistant, Cody leverages Sourcegraph's code graph and large language models to assist you in writing, fixing, and maintaining your code. Imagine having a personalized assistant with a deep understanding of your entire code base, a vast knowledge of open-source code, and comprehensive training data for code understanding and problem solving. That's Cody for you. It answers questions, provides code suggestions, and offers improvements based on the context of your code base, with features like autocomplete, inline chat, quick commands, and swappable large language models. Cody is readily available for VS Code and JetBrains platforms. So let's delve into the world of Cody and explore its fascinating features. Imagine typing a few lines of code and having an assistant complete the rest. Sounds amazing, right? That's what the autocomplete feature of Cody does. Now let's delve into this feature in more detail. The autocomplete functionality of Cody is beyond just basic code completion. It's like having a senior developer peering over your shoulder, suggesting the next bit of code you need. It's powered by Sourcegraph's code graph and large language models, which have been trained on extensive open source code. This means it can provide contextually accurate suggestions, whether you're defining a function, creating a class, or simply writing a for loop. Let's consider an example. Suppose you're writing a function to sort an array in Python. You type def sort array r and hit enter. Cody, understanding the context, might suggest air sort return r, effectively completing the function for you. It's that intelligent. But it doesn't stop there. Cody's suggestions are not limited to just the language syntax or basic library functions. It can even suggest complex code blocks, like complete algorithms or database queries based on the context of your codebase and its understanding of similar code in the open source world. Think about how much time this can save you. Instead of searching online for how to implement a certain feature or fix a bug, you can rely on Cody to provide relevant suggestions right in your code editor. It's like having a pair of extra hands that are as skilled as you, if not more. In addition to saving time, this feature can significantly improve your productivity. It reduces the cognitive load of coding, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture, the actual problem solving, rather than getting bogged down in the details of syntax and implementation. And the best part, Cody learns from you. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your coding style and preferences, making its suggestions even more personalized and relevant. With Cody's autocomplete, coding becomes a breeze, doesn't it? Ever wished for an expert's advice while refactoring your code? Cody's inline chat feature brings this wish to life. Now imagine you're working on a piece of code and you're stuck. You've hit a roadblock and you're not sure how to proceed. It's late at night, your team members are unavailable, and you're left to your own devices. But with Cody, you're never alone. You have a coding assistant right there with you, ready to help you out with its inline chat feature. This feature lets you communicate with Cody in real time, right within your code editor. It's like having a dialogue with a seasoned developer who's always ready to assist. You can ask Cody questions, seek advice, or simply brainstorm ideas. And Cody, with its extensive knowledge of your code base and open source code, provides you with informed, context-based suggestions. Let's say you're working on a function and you're not quite sure if it's the most efficient way to do it. You can simply ask Cody. It might suggest a more optimal approach, or maybe a cleaner, more readable way to write your function. Or perhaps you're dealing with a bug that's been eluding you for hours. Why not ask Cody? It could identify the issue, offer a solution, or even suggest ways to prevent such bugs in the future. With Cody's inline chat, the possibilities are endless. Not only does this feature help you solve problems and make better coding decisions, but it also helps you learn and grow as a developer. It's like having a personal coding mentor, always there to guide you, to share insights, and to help you understand your code better. Moreover, the inline chat feature can greatly improve code quality. With Cody's guidance, you can avoid common pitfalls, write more efficient code, and ensure that your code is maintainable and easy to understand. It reduces debugging time, speeds up the coding process, and makes coding a more enjoyable experience. Cody's inline chat is like having a personal coding mentor, guiding you every step of the way. Coding involves repetitive tasks, doesn't it? What if there was a way to perform these tasks quickly? Cody's Quick Commands feature does just that. let's delve into Cody's Quick Commands feature, an intelligent tool designed to alleviate the burden of repetitive tasks. This feature enables you to execute common actions swiftly, and in many instances with just a single command. Imagine you're working on a complex code base and you need to refactor a function or rename a variable that appears hundreds of times throughout your code. Traditionally, you would have to manually search for each instance and update it one at a time. But with Cody's Quick Commands, you can perform this task in a snap. Simply type a command such as refactor function X to Y or rename variable A to B, and Cody will handle the rest. Cody's Quick Commands go beyond refactoring and renaming. They can also be used to execute tests, generate documentation, and even deploy your code. For example, you could run a test suite by typing run test for module Z, generate javadoc by commanding generate javadoc for class C, or deploy your code by saying deploy code to server S. This feature is not only a time saver but also a quality enhancer. By automating routine tasks, Cody minimizes the chance of human error, ensuring that your code remains clean and efficient. Plus, the more you use Cody's Quick Commands, the more it learns about your coding style and preferences, further streamlining your workflow. But what's truly remarkable about Cody's Quick Commands is their flexibility. You're not limited to a predetermined set of commands. Cody is designed to understand and execute a wide range of commands, making it a highly adaptable tool that can fit into any coding workflow. So whether you're a seasoned developer juggling multiple projects or a coding enthusiast working on your first app, Cody's Quick Commands can significantly boost your productivity and coding experience. With Cody's Quick Commands, you can say goodbye to tedious and repetitive tasks. Ever wanted to tap into the power of large language models? With Cody, you can. Now let's dive into the world of swappable large language models, or LLMs, and how they can supercharge your coding experience with Cody. The swappable large language models feature is like a secret sauce that adds a unique flavor to Cody. It allows developers to switch between different LLMs, such as Anthropic Claude and OpenAI GPT-4 or 3.5. Depending on their specific needs and preferences. This feature is like having multiple coding experts at your disposal, each with their unique strengths and specialties. Imagine you're working on a complex coding problem. You might prefer Anthropic Claude, known for its high-level strategic insights and deep semantic understanding. Claude can help you think through the logic and structure of your code, offering suggestions that may not have crossed your mind, but let's say you're more focused on the nitty-gritty of code syntax and formatting. Here, OpenAI's GPT-4 or 3.5 might be your go-to LLM. They are renowned for their meticulous attention to detail and can help you write clean, efficient, and error-free code. The beauty of the swappable LLM feature lies in its flexibility. You're not bound to one way of solving problems or one style of coding. Instead, you can adapt and switch your LLM according to the task at hand, enhancing Cody's capabilities and your code understanding. This feature also allows Cody to learn and evolve over time. As more LLMs are developed, they can be integrated into Cody, expanding its skill set and making it an even more powerful coding tool. This means Cody will continue to grow with you, adapting to new coding trends and techniques, and staying ahead of the curve. So, with Cody's swappable large language models feature, you're not just getting a coding assistant. You're getting an adaptable, evolving coding partner that can switch its approach according to your preferences and the demands of your project. Cody's swappable large language models feature opens up a world of possibilities, doesn't it? Doesn't. So, we've seen the amazing features of Cody and how it can transform your coding experience. As an AI coding assistant, Cody brings a wealth of benefits to the table. With its deep knowledge of your codebase and extensive understanding of open source code, it's like having a seasoned developer by your side 24/7. Its autocomplete feature streamlines the writing process, while the inline chat function offers timely fixes and refactorings. Need to perform a common action? Cody's Quick Commands have got you covered. And let's not forget the swappable large language models like Anthropic Claude and OpenAI GPT-4 3.5. Expanding Cody's versatility and adaptability. Despite these impressive features, remember that Cody is a tool and may not replace the human touch entirely. It's there to assist and enhance your coding, not to do all the work for you. In the world of coding, Cody is indeed a game changer, so why wait? Unleash the power of Cody and revolutionize your coding journey today.